There is something wrong with the monitor machine. You come up and take a look. Accident analysis and prevention. A person is not wearing a hard hat. Seat belt. A falling down in an accident. Cause irreversible consequences. Employees should be stopped and corrected in a timely manner. Incorrect wearing of safety equipment. Improper maintenance. The device is in normal operation. It will cause a large vibration due to repeated blows. Causes open welding and screw peeling. It should be in device operation. In daily maintenance, check and record important parts of the equipment. 3 structures do not meet safety requirements. The existing hidden dangers should be eliminated in time. Columns should be added to the lower part of the platform to stabilize the lower support. Prevent force from tilting. For no safety signs. Safety signs should be placed in a conspicuous position. Ability to alert staff. Risk prevention, so as to avoid accidents.